Hi, this is Jason Nelson with Ascent Internet. Today I'm going to talk to you about website programming and working with databases. And this relates to MySQL databases or MySQL. There are other types of databases, but here at our company, Ascent Internet, we work with MySQL databases, which ties in nicely to the PHP programming language that we use in our sites, in our just straight PHP sites, and then also using WordPress. WordPress is largely based on PHP and MySQL. So that, and I'm going to go through this contact page to give you an idea of what I'm talking about and how web programming and database work can help you get more and better reach your customers and market to them from your website. So going down, this is just the contact form from our website, and it can use a little work, but at least it serves as an example for kind of what the possibilities are for database work with your website and how it can help you. So going down this site, I have this contact form request, and just ask for some basic information. This seems simple enough, and you've probably seen tons of contact forms on websites where it just says, name, email address, and perhaps phone number, and then you just send your message in the message area, and that works just fine. You can do that, and a lot of times those just get sent to, when you send that message and hit submit, it just gets sent to an email, and that's what this does as well when I hit submit. But on this form, I have some more detailed information, and it just asks, so how do you want to be contacted? Do you currently have a website? Since we do web design and web programming and internet marketing, and that's kind of a first step. And then just talks about what services they're interested in. So this is simple enough, and I ask about, we ask about what the project is, and this can be sent to an email, which is great. It tells us what we need to know based on their submission. But what would be better is to send all this information to a database. So that way we have it stored and we can use it for other purposes. So even if this person doesn't become a client, we could still perhaps add them to, we have their information, we could add them to like an email marketing newsletter or other marketing items we're doing to help promote the business and stay on their mind, so that perhaps if they weren't ready to take the step previously, with future communication and future contact, that they may use this in the future, and that's great. So, and also with your existing customers, they may, through contact with you, may identify the need for additional services and perhaps want to use you more for those services and also just other future projects. So using a database is great to store the information. So instead of having to take your email and maybe save it, it's all sent into a database in an organized way. So each of these fields is set up as a field in the database, similar to like an Excel spreadsheet, where you can, you have different columns, and the data is in the columns that you've entered. So instead of doing that manual data entry based on some contact form, all the information is sent to a database in an organized way. So their name's going to be in a separate field or column, and then their company name is, and their email address, and their phone, and all these other items I included here. Each one is going to be a separate column in the database or field. So that is great, because then you can, like I said, use it for, it's already there, you don't have to do the data entry work, and you can organize it and review it and kind of analyze what's working, what are people interested in, and then use it also to market to them. So I hope this helps. Web programming and web database work can really make a big difference for a website in terms of what's going on behind the scenes. It's not always visual. Obviously you want a great web design, but you also want to have different functionality built into the site behind the scenes through your programming and your databases that can help you can leverage for other things you're doing with your marketing and with your company. So I hope this has been helpful. Again, my name is Jason Nelson with Ascent Internet, and we do web design, web programming, internet marketing. And you can reach us here at 435-319-7260. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.